Aromatic Adventures with the Candle Enthusiast.
As far back as I can remember, I've had this obsession to transport myself back in time to ride on the Orient Express. Yes, a train that would travel through the countryside in Europe, romantic settings, to do it in only the most luxurious ways. But when I found out that in the White Mountains of New Hampshire, they had scenic railroad rides, I said, well, this is something I must do. So that is today. Today's adventure is to get on a train in Conway, New Hampshire, and experience this scenic ride through the autumnal landscape. We're days away from Halloween, and up here it's freezing cold. So the leaves are not so vibrant. They are more rusty browns and faded gold colors. And every so often when that wind blows or when that train comes buzzing through, the leaves scatter and sway and twist in the sky like a tornado. It's something that must be experienced. Something important to note, it's not a beautiful day. At least most folks would probably say there's no blue sky, there's no sun, there's rain in the forecast. For me, I think this is perfect. I love extreme weather. Having the big puffy clouds and the mist in the sky and perhaps some precipitation is just gonna add to that relaxation of sitting by the window, looking out and truly letting the mind, the body, and the soul recharge, to disconnect for a short while and to relax. That's what I'm doing. Do you want to come? Would you like to join? You would? Well then, let's do this. That was supposed to look cool. Stuck in traffic. The train takes off in 7 minutes. We will get this done one way or the other. 500 feet. We just need to turn left, and I can see the train station from here. All right. This is the train car that we're going to be on today. Apparently, it's a first-class train. Hi, how you doing?
Good. Party name?
Carlson? The screen doesn't open, but that's all right. Conway Scenic Railroad. Let's see if we can get a good exposure, because we want the outside to look good, but I don't want to be too dark. So let me add some additional light. I have my GoPro hooked up to the window. There's a screen in the way. I don't think that's going to be an issue. I have this booth completely to myself, which is
remarkable. It's really comfy. It's a little bench, a table. Not what you would expect, but then again, this is first class after all. And I have a barrier, glass and plastic, so I could take off my mask, but also I could talk and not feel like people are looking at me and thinking I'm a complete lunatic, even though I am by myself and still talking and using my hands. I have an external audio recorder with a little audio muff, so I can speak more gently, but also the wind won't rustle the audio.
I think one of the crazy things about this scenic railroad thing is that this first class ticket at the peak of autumn season was $17, and I should throw in it's a Saturday. That is incredible. Now, they are always sold out. I think I really only got a ticket today because it's just me. But if I was bringing, somebody else, or if I had a family to bring, there's probably no way I'd be able to get on the train. Arrangements like these really have to be made during the summer. Chakura is the name of the train car that we're on. Good. That looks good. Let me post it on Instagram so you guys know what I'm up to. Oh, what on earth? How adorable is this house? It's not a house, it's a train station. Can I ask, do you know what happens, where people are going?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. As long as I'm not the only one. Alright. Looks like they have, snacks and treats.
Yeah.
I thought for a second that I thought they were letting people off and that this ticket was like a one-way. And I'm like, okay, how am I going to get back to my car? I feel like Tom Hanks in the Polar Express, you know what I'm saying? Santa's Holiday Express. Santa is on board with his mischievous elves who have hot chocolate and cookies for everyone. I don't think they're being mischievous or mischievous, depending on how you pronounce it, for giving out hot chocolate and cookies. How New England is this? Whew. The colors, the folks enjoying hot treats and beverages, picking pumpkins from a wagon.
the leaves, a scenic train in the background. You know, this doesn't feel like New England so much as it does. It feels kind of like a storybook, or maybe the Gilmore Girls. I feel like there's a little bit of Stars Hollow in this place. This excursion is called the Pumpkin Patch Express. So we depart from the train station, arrive at another train station, and they drop us off at a pumpkin patch. Bam! Pumpkin Patch Express. It's at this point in the evening where I do want to say good night. But before I do, I want to thank you for joining me on this little excursion today, this scenic railroad locomotive ride through Conway. As short as it may have been, it was still an experience that I'm very happy and grateful that I had a chance to take. That's going to do it for now. I'm going to sit here, I'm going to drink my coffee, I'm going to feel that autumn breeze on my face. It's getting really chilly, and just listen to those rustling leaves and the little hum of the hustle and bustle on Main Street here in Conway. So, I will be seeing you folks soon, but until then, be good.